Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are learning how to solve logarithm, and if you look at the questions, it asks us to simplify the logarithm given. Remember, we are going to use the word property of multiplication and division. Whenever you come across such question, you write solution. You have log 6 plus log 2 minus log 12. That is the next thing to do. You look at this is log 6 plus log 2. The property of multiplication. Whenever you have addition, then you can multiply. Whenever you have subtraction, you can divide. That is the law of logarithm. That is, here we can apply the law, which says log 6 times 2 minus log 12. This property says if you multiply 6 times 2, here we have log 12 minus log 12. Log 12 minus log 12, we can apply the another property which says if you have log minus log, then you can divide the log. This is equals to log 12 divided by log 12. That is 12 divided by 12 is equals to 1. That is, here is equals to log 1. Log 1 is also equals to 0. That is, the answer of this log is equals to 0. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.